safety car of Matthew White.
Oh,
Here we go. Oh, man, out of it. Come on. There you go. The action is strong here tonight. Here we go with the 47X. Little tentative coming down. 00 of Dana Cook looking to hit. 47X. Here's Small Junior
on the track.
Oh, we got a little clump on here. We got 127, Mike DeLand. He's looking to make a run. Playing a little hide and go seek there. What's he doing? The object is to hit somebody. Come on now.
Oh!
60 of Matt White.
That's a pile driver move.
That's right.
We haven't seen that for a while.
Oh, they're dogging there. This is looking good. 65 with a good hit. Steve Lee Jr. 127. Here we go. Oh, nice hit, man, by the 127. Oh, the 47. Aaron Small. What a heck of a hit right there. Oh, the 62 has lost a rear tire. Devin